Happy Bookmas! Today I am taking you along with me for a day in my life. I'm truly in the trenches of Bookmas right now, so I have to catch up on editing today. I also need to continue filming a couple of videos that I'm working on, as well as start the reading for my book club book. Honestly, things have been very chaotic around here and I am kind of behind on so many things. Each day has just been like filming, reading, editing, so my house is a disaster. So I'm kind of hoping I can catch up on things today. I also have like a bunch of books to share with you guys that I got in the mail. I also got some new books from Book of the Month, and earlier this month I had shared a different Book of the Month box. I had a sponsored video with Book of the Month earlier. I think it was my Christmas book recommendations video. But I also have my personal subscription of Book of the Month because I really do love them. So this is what I picked up this month. This one sounded interesting and I just really adore this cover. I think it's really cool. This is Tomb Sweeping by Alexandra Chang, and apparently this is just a bunch of short stories. Those are usually hit or miss for me. I don't have like a ton of like short story collection books, but this cover was too cute to pass up, so I had to grab it. This one I'm the most excited for though. This is The Mystery Guest, a Maid novel. So this is a sequel to The Maid, which is one of my favorite books that I read this year. Really excited to see what Molly the Maid is up to. I loved her. She's a very sweet character, so I think this will be a nice cozy read. And this sounded adorable. This is The Second Chance Here. One disastrous year, one magical wish, one chance to change the past. This is like one of those redo books where she gets to like relive an entire year of her life, and then at the end she's like, was it worth it? I'm kind of a sucker for those storylines. And we got some cute holiday stickers. I finally got my pre-order that I ordered in July. Lynn Painter's Betting on You just released, and we're actually reading this in my book club. How cute is this cover? I'm so excited. So this is actually the book that I am starting today. I've heard so many good things already, and it's Lynn Painter, so I know it's going to be good. Look how cute. And then I got this limited edition copy of The Do-Over. I really enjoyed this book, but how cute is that? I couldn't resist. It was adorable. And then I got this one in the mail from Simon & Schuster. This is The Christmas Appeal, and it's a very teeny tiny little book. The cover is so cute. I kind of just want to display it like a piece of Christmas decor. And these are actually from my Amazon wish list, so thank you Daniela for sending these to me. I'm so excited, particularly for the, I almost said the thirdle. I don't know what that is. The third book in A Good Girl's Guide to Murder series. I remember someone saying like this series continues to get more and more unhinged in each book, so I can't wait. Then I got Love Me Do, and I think this one is about a screenwriter who lands in the Hollywood Hills. She can't resist playing matchmaker for handsome neighbor Carpenter Wren. Then it sounds like she ends up falling for him herself. And another one with an amazing cover. This is Everything's Fine by Cecilia Rabies. Oh my god, is that how you say it? It's described as like an ironic state of the nation sort of novel, so this will be fun. That is my book mail. I need to finish editing some things before I get into my reading for the day, so let's go do that. My uploads are currently processing, so I'm gonna get started on the reading. I need to read like 220 pages in the next 3 days, but I'm gonna try to get a decent chunk done this afternoon. Honestly, I think will be easy because Lynn Painter's books are so cute. I usually tear through them in like a day. This one's a little bit longer than her usual books, but I think that it will still be a quick, easy read. She's like a rom-com genius, and also I did not realize that this book, when I pre-ordered it, it actually has like an additional chapter. So it also has like a deleted scene at the end. So cute! I'm gonna get into this for at least the next hour. I'll see where I end up. Okay, update. I am about 75-ish pages into this book, and so far it is so adorable, just like I knew it would be. This book is dual point of view, so we have Charlie and Bailey. Actually met from sitting next to each other on a long flight like 3 years ago, and then ran into each other once again a year later, and now it's present day, and they both happen to be working at this big mega hotel. When they first met, they didn't really like each other, but now you can see they're kind of warming up to one another. It's very cute. I will probably continue reading this a little bit later. I need to take a break and start some laundry. I told you guys I have been so far behind on like household things since Bookmas started. I need to run some laundry. I also need to get into this book at some point, maybe today, I don't know. I am filming a rereading my favorite childhood series video, and oh my gosh, it has been so nostalgic. Then tonight I have an event with the Museum of Ice Cream. I was invited to like their Bookmas party, so I'm gonna go check that out. I went to the Museum of Ice Cream like years ago, and it was really cute. Definitely a great photo spot, but apparently this is supposed to be everything all decked out and festive and pink. So I'm excited. I'm gonna have to like probably fix my hair for that. I gotta say, I'm a little bit burnt out on reading this week. I just finished my like reading the Magnolia Park series books for 24 hours. So like I cannot pay attention to books right now. But good thing I have all of these to get through. Okay, we're heading to Bookmas. Honestly, I don't know what happened, but I do not have pink clothes anymore, like not even a pink sweater. So this is the best I got. It's semi-festive, it's red and pink, and I have my pink dunks on, so I did my best, okay? Here goes an orange. Okay, just got back from the Museum of Ice Cream, and it was the cutest ever. Everything was so pink and adorable, and there was actually a ton of ice cream. I remember when we went like years ago, you got like a nice little scoop at the end, but this was like ice cream throughout every activation. It was ice cream overload, honestly, but it was delicious. There was like a lot of games and just so many cute like photo spots. Anyway, after that we tried to do some shopping. It was unsuccessful. Everything was a flop, and then we got some ramen, and now we're home. I actually just picked up some PR from the mail, and I think I have more book mail. This is another one. Oh yay, from Simon & Schuster. I'm actually so excited. This is The Other Mothers by Catherine Faulkner, and this is on my list. Like, I want to read this one. I got some other stuff in the mail. This one I ordered from, what is it? Lillian. I follow her on Instagram, and she's super cute, but she's always showing these little koozies. They like fit your Starbucks cups or your Dunkin' cups, and I was like, that is the best idea ever. So I got one. So cute. She makes a lot of really cute stuff like laptop sleeves, clothes, socks. She's very crafty. I really like her. And then I also got a package from Patchology. And these are always some of my faves because I go through these like crazy. This one is like a self-care kit. So it has eye gels, sheet masks, and rose toes in here. And this one's like an eye gel sampler pack. So it has like a bunch of different kinds. So that's kind of a wrap on my day. I'm taking it very chill tonight. I'm pretty caught up on Bookmas videos right now, so I'm gonna finish some thumbnails really quick, but let me take off my makeup